Why are you 33 and single and not married?
Love is Blind, the weddings. Wow, Netflix dragged it out, didn't they? An hour for 2 weddings. Izzy and Stacy. I honestly didn't believe Stacy would marry Izzy. It's the right decision. It's the practical decision. And it got so petty so quickly. Okay? Well, Izzy got petty after he was rejected, which I understand, but he was putting in some digs, unnecessary digs. If I met a man that was broke, okay, he's as broke can be, okay. That is why he's not been telling the truth. Every time she's asking him the truth, she's dropping truth in bits. So that is so suspicious. And if I were Stacy, I wouldn't go for that because she's got everything together. She's got her house, she's got her money, she's got her job. By marrying this guy who she really doesn't know and she's trying to get to know, she's asking him questions. He's not even telling her the real truth. The day she marries him, she takes on his debt and he suddenly inherits a house and whatever Stacey's got, her pensions and all that. So is that a practical thing to marry someone like that when you don't even know the depth of his money problems? So Stacey, clever decision not to marry him. And then Izzy goes on to have a rant about, I overlooked everything. I overlooked looks. What does that mean? Is he trying to say Stacey's ugly? That was an unnecessary dig. Beautiful girl. And I overlooked money. Yeah, you, how else can you not overlook money? You're the one with the debt. You know, he's the one with the debt. I do kind of feel sorry for him, but it is what it is. He should have been honest from the onset so that she makes a decision knowing exactly what she's getting into. But he wasn't honest because he kind of knew that she wouldn't take that on. So he threw in some digs about money and saying that no wonder she's not married and she's 33. What?
I'm 29 years old and I can give you everything that a fucking rich 45-year-old man that you always go for and always fell with can't give you.
Is 33 old now? She's making it sound like 33 is old. And that is so unnecessary and so low of Izzy to do that. But anyway, clever decision not to marry. That was going to be a disaster for Stacy.